Hi everyone, welcome to Babuji Independent PU College YouTube classes. Now today we are going to discussing about the what multiple alleles and codominants. Multiple alleles and codominants. The first we are going to discussing about the multiple alleles. What is multiple alleles? In general, you can take the one gene. You can take the one gene to has a pair of alleles. The pair of alleles is present that. It is common that. But sometimes what happens that the one gene, you can take the one gene to present more than pair of alleles is called multiple alleles. One gene is only one pair is a normal. More than two alleles is present in a locus is called as multiple alleles. The example of the multiple alleles, we take the human blood groups. The human blood group is the first discovered by Carl Landsteiner. Carl Landsteiner discovered the human blood groups in the era of 19th century. But in the 1930, he got Nobel Prize for discovery of the blood groups. Then another scientist is there. The Bernstein is a scientist. He discovered the phenotype of blood groups. Phenotype of the blood groups. See, in the human blood group, so actually the blood groups of the human, it is located on the chromosome number is a 9th chromosome. 9th chromosome. And the gene is the I gene. Gene is the I gene. That alphabet I. That. In that I gene, what happened? How many alleles is there? The 3 alleles is there. Mainly that A, B, I. Are nothing but O, like I O. So like that, A B there. If here A is there, we are considered as a IA. It is there I B. We take in a gene is a I. The pair with alleles is a. So it is a I O R I that. Like that we are take the which the genotype. If you are IA IB, nothing but A and B genotype. The genes or the alleles are the dominant alleles. If here O is there, that is recessive alleles. If here both the I and A is there, now we consider the A only. We considered, we didn't consider the B that. In that based on that, now we are discussing about that based on that. Now see here, for example, that you can take the blood group A is there. What are the genotype of is there? You can take the IO and IA or IA and IA like this. If here B blood group is there, IO, IB, IO, IB or IB or IO. It is a heterozygous, it is a homozygous. Heterozygous, homozygous. Now we can take the which the blood group AB is there, what IA and IB. Now take A. Now you take the AB blood group. AB blood group is what? IA and IB that. Here the both are heterozygous. IA and IB is heterozygous. In heterozygous condition, they can show the both alleles can show the dominance. So this type of the dominance is called codominance. Codominance here IA, IB. B also codominant only. A also dominant. Both are heterozygous. So heterozygous condition both are show the dominant. So that's called codominance. Now we can take the O is the IO or IO, or you can take the I. It is a recessive. Now you can take the A blood group. A blood group antibody of A blood group is what? A blood group antibody is the B. The next, the B blood group antibody is the A. The next, AB blood group is antibodies. No antibodies absent. No antibodies in which AB blood group. Now O blood group is antibodies A, B is there. See here, these all the antibodies we are generally called as isoimmunoagglutins. Isoimmunoagglutins or agglutins, which all the antibodies that. See, general all the alleles of the blood groups, so all alleles of blood groups is called generally the groups generally they called immunoglobulin M. We consider as a what? Immunoglobulin M in all the alleles of the blood groups. The based on the blood groups phenotype, the genotype, we are discussing about the one problem. The based on this. Now we can take the mother is there. Now we can take the mother and father. The mother is a blood group A blood group mother. The father is the B blood group. B blood group. The mother is a A blood group. A group. A blood group. Father is a B blood group. In this, what is the phenotype? Genotype of this IA. If you are homozygous. Now here the IB. So it is what we are considered. It is a P1 generation. After the P1 generation, what happened? The gamete now is the B. From what? IA. Here the what? IB. It is a what? Gamete. In the gamete, then again it is combined itself to form the F1 generation. F1 generation. Now what is here? IA and IB means all in F1 generation we can expect the AB blood group child, either girl or the boy. Now we can take the F2 generation. Same F2 generation what? IA, here IB. Now here again we are taking this clear that IA, IB. Now IA, and IB will take that. Then we can make the checkerboard of board of an F2 generation. F2 generation. See here it is who is contain the father, it is a mother. What happened here? The IA, IB. Now IA, IB. Now IB. That. Now what happened that in F1 generation all blood group blood groups, so all blood groups which A, B. But now we can take the in F2 generation. F2 generation A is a A blood group, AB blood group. Here the AB blood group, here the B blood group. Means in F2 generation now is there 1:2:1 ratio. Here the 1:A blood group, AB blood group and B blood groups. The chances is a 1:2:1. The 25% of the A blood group, the 50% of AB blood group, the next 25% of B blood group. If A mother is married with a B father in F2 generations. If take the F1 generation, AB blood group. In F1 generation is the AB blood group, but F2 generation is the what A comma AB comma B blood group. So the baby will deliver chances is there. This is about the codominance and multiple alliance. Thank you one and all.